Hi to everyone. My name is Yan Jingwen. I am 23 years old. I hold a degree in Bachelor of Science in Aquaculture from University of Malaysia, Terengganu. I can speak fluently in English, Malay, and Mandarin. For the computer skill, I am familiar with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. During the time in my secondary school, I have involved myself in many kinds of activity, such as St. John, ping pong, and photography pickup. This enabled me to possess a pleasant personality, as I enjoy working with a group of friends. Besides that, I also able to express my idea clearly to others and can tolerate difference in my opinion. Moreover that, I have enthusiasm and assertiveness in work, as I always show my interest when I doing my lab work and other activities. Although sometimes there are many difficulties found in the situation, but I never give up at the end. I will also complete all my tasks enjoyful. After that, I also will have the willingness to listen and learn and try the new things in my life. These qualities is definitely help me to complete many tasks successfully. I also possess the analytical and problem-solving skill. These skills are developed through my daily life and experience, such as during my academic study. For example, I need to evaluating different sources of information for essay, designing and constructing a plan for mini project, and setting up the lab experiment. From the practical interest of mine, like culture ornamental fish. During rearing the ornamental fish, there will be always encounter many kinds of problems of fish health, water qualities. Then I need to observe the conditions and think for the causes to the problem and provide the most suitable solution for them. Moreover that, I also prefer on playing mind games and computer games, such as cryptic crossword, Sudoku, chess, bridge, as well as some farm construction games. I strongly believe that from this game, I could improve my strategy planning, critical and statistical analysis, and assessing the pro and con of the different courses of action. The major strength of mine is the sense of responsibility, punctuality, as I always attend my class on time. Otherwise, I also have strong ability to survive under the different kinds of environment. I can carry along with diverse cultural environment in versatile atmosphere and still able to represent myself as a person who can be trusted with the most of the things involved in the business and personal life. The ability to merge in the people and be the part of them is one of the major key that any successful person might have. And this ability makes me unique, and that people find me trustworthy as a person with who can share their sorrow, happiness, and take advice. So I consider this also as one of my major strengths that can merge into any group of people, belong to any race or any part of the world. Now, let me proceed to the next question, which is about my weakness. First of all, I am a hardworking person, but I am rather unorganized in terms of filling my documents and keeping my work in order. For an example, I take out all the stuff and equipment and do not put back them into the original place. I randomly put them on the table or anywhere, and after that, will have a difficult time on finding those things that I have put. However, management skill is the key to success. From the study also indicates that successful people are those individuals who sacrifice follow their set time to accomplish the specific goals in life. It takes one's self-discipline to practice proper time management. The first thing that need to done to overcome this weakness is set a goal for yourself. For instance, what will be my job in the future? And what will I do to sustain my future family? The second thing that I will think is that what I'm doing is actually worth my time. Then get rid of everything that wastes my time. Sometimes I waste my time by doing the thing which is less or least important first. Example, playing the computer games, opening Facebook, and watching TV. Even if it is unnecessary. Hence, I also need to cultivate the qualities of enthusiasm to be able to follow my original schedule and to eliminate the laziness. And I also will always remind myself by telling myself, do it now. This is a way to eliminate the procrastination. Otherwise, I also set this sentence as a wallpaper on screen of computer and cell phone. Sometimes I will be depressed, then I blame myself for the future for failure and others. To overcome this, I also attend some parties or hang out with friends, ask them to get depression gone as well as for way. How to manage the time well. Sometimes they might be face some failure, but it is not a reason to discourage people. You should make it a reason to try harder, to develop the skill in organization. To develop the skill in organization things, I will sort my stuff in equipment neatly. I also will make it a point to put all the things back on the original place and clean my desk before I leave the office every day. Important factors for the time management are patience, awareness, and analysis. Always be patient to follow the schedule, and be aware of strength and weakness. Always be aware of the time. Analyze each task that are about to do. So far, this step has worked out very nice. Thank you. That's all from me.